Card games have long been the heartbeat of spontaneous fun, but not all games are created equal. Some linger lazily into the night. Others explode with energy from the very first deal. If you crave quick entertainment that ignites the room in seconds, you need fast-paced card games. Games that demand reflexes, focus, and a dash of daring. In this video, we'll dive deep into 3 rapid-fire card games that transform an ordinary deck into a battlefield of speed and strategy. Few games ignite chaos quite like Egyptian rat screw, often abbreviated as ERS. It's loud, it's frantic, it's gloriously unpredictable. At first glance, ERS appears simple. Players take turns placing cards face up into a central pile. But beneath that calm exterior lurks a lightning-fast duel of reflexes. The moment a specific card combination appears, everyone lunges for the pile. The quickest hand claims the spoils. The magic of ERS lies in its volatility. No 2 rounds unfold the same way. One moment you're calmly placing a card, the next you're diving across the table, fingers grazing cardboard, heart pounding. Unlike slower trick-taking games, ERS demands constant alertness. You can't scroll your phone. You can't drift off mid-round. Blink and you'll miss your moment. Because rounds move briskly, Egyptian rat screw is ideal when attention spans are short and energy levels are high. Don't let the suave name fool you. James Bond is less about martinis and more about mental agility. This fast-paced card game revolves around assembling 4-of-a-kind sets before your opponents do. The setup is straightforward. Each player receives cards that will be put into stacks of 4 cards. The goal? Collect 4 cards of the same rank in each stack. But you won't draw from a deck in a traditional sense. Players simultaneously pick up a card from the middle and exchange it with one from their pile. The table becomes a conveyor belt of cardboard. You're constantly evaluating what to keep and what to ditch. The moment someone completes all their stacks into 4-of-a-kinds, they announce, "James Bond." There's a rhythmic flow to the game. Hands dart back and forth, cards shuffle through like currency in a bustling market, and then boom, someone wins. It's minimalist in design, yet exhilarating in delivery. If ERS thrives on reflexes, James Bond thrives on pattern recognition and speed-based filtering. Peanuts is more commonly known as Nerts, but I grew up calling it Peanuts, so that's what I'm going with. This game is what happens when solitaire collides with full-throttle competition. Imagine multiple players, each with their own mini solitaire setup, racing to shed cards faster than anyone else. Unlike traditional solitaire, you're not alone. Everyone plays simultaneously and you share central foundation piles. Each player aims to empty their Peanuts pile by building ascending sequences into shared piles in the center. Meanwhile, opponents are trying to do the exact same thing, often reaching for the same spot. It is not uncommon for hands to collide mid-play. Peanuts is louder than solitaire, faster than patience games, and infinitely more competitive. It demands mental agility, peripheral awareness, and rapid hand movement. Once someone shouts, "Peanuts," the round halts. Scores are tallied, and the next deal begins almost immediately. While it requires a bit more setup than ERS or James Bond, the payoff is worth it. Attention spans are shrinking. Schedules are packed. Not everyone has hours to commit to a sprawling board game. Fast-paced card games offer instant engagement with minimal setup. And perhaps most importantly, they spark human connection. When boredom creeps in, don't default to screens. Reach for a deck. Quick entertainment is only a deal away.